Harihi Om. My dear holy souls, this is Mata Anantananda from Bharat, that is India. Now, I'm going to narrate the story of Brahma Rakshasa under the caption of the wonderful Indian folk stories. This story is among Bhatti Vikramaditya's. Bhatti Vikramaditya's father Chandravarna had wandered here and there to seek a right and complete education. By God's grace, he reached a Brahma Rakshasa, Brahma demon, who had taught the total education to him. With the condition, without having food, water, and sleep, rest even. With the help of a mantra, he completed it. At the moment when he completed the education, a divine flight aeroplane had came from the sky, and the Brahma demon had turned into a beautiful and a divine personality. By watching that, Chandravarna got very surprised. It was awesome. Then he prayed to that divine personality. He fallen on his foot and prayed, "Oh divine personality, my dear Sadguru, with your boon, with your kindness, I got completion of my education. But till now, you are like Brahma demon. Now you turned as a divine personality. What is your previous history? How happened like this? Please let me know." Then Brahma demon, who turned as a divine personality, he blessed Chandravarna and said, "Yes, my dear son, my dear disciple. Actually, I'm not Brahma demon. In previous, I was a divine personality who is living in Urthalokas, heavens like that. According to Indian beliefs, there are 7 upper universes. So, by referring that Brahma Daman, who turned as a divine personality, he said he was such that. But he got so much of education. He was very knowledgeous person. But because of his education, without having the obedience and soft-going nature, he became as egoistic. One day he came down to earth and wandering here and there by enjoying the nature of the earth. By that time, some of the disciples came, watched him, and they approached him with a request to educate them, to donate his knowledge to them. But if he regrets it, he has to say no. But instead of dealing with them with soft behavior, this divine person means he was telling the story. So he said, "I made them to ashamed. I ill-treated them." By that time, some of the saints were crossing the way. Then they watched me and the disciples also. They approached us and they corrected me. That was not the correct behavior. If you regret to educate them, then say it softly. That's all. You should not ill-treat them. Then I made ill-treat to that saints also. Then they got angry and they cursed me like anything. Then they cursed me to become as Brahma Daman. Immediately my shape was changed. My divine personality has changed into demon like that. Then I came to know about my situation. So immediately I fallen on their feet and prayed for mercy. Then they said, whatever may be our intuition, whatever we done, whatever we performed, then we must get the result. In spite of this, what I have to say, I forgot the word. Whatever we feel very sad about it, what we have done. The right word I forgotten it. Such that how much grievance we feel in vain. We should experience the result of that work, either faithful or bad one. Whatever it may be, we have to experience the result of that work. By the way, I turned like this, then I prayed for mercy. At least let me know when I'll re-get my original divine personality. Then they told, await for a good, otherwise search for a faithful, obedient disciple and donate all of your knowledge to him. That too with a condition for 6 months. Within 6 months you have to complete the education of that disciple. That too without having food and water and even taking the rest. I wandered here and there on the earth, but everywhere, wherever I go, people got very afraid of me. Then I came into this forest, and I'm doing penance towards Ishvara. Then I prayed God to send a right and a good, obedient, eligible disciple. Then by God's grace, you approached me with the mantra. I completed the donation of, I completely given my knowledge to you. Then, my dear disciple, go and meet your fate, but always be obedient to elders and kind to others. Always behave with the softness and truthfulness. My blessings to you. You'll become famous, and your sons, your children will become very famous. Okay, have the blissful life. He said like that, and he entered into the divine flight and had gone away. Then Chandravarna spent some time by giving his namaskars and gratitude to his Sadguru, who was the Brahma Daman up to that time and who turned as a divine personality and left that place. And next, Chandravarna had taken bath in the river and satisfied his thirst and crossed the hill and started traveling towards his Nandipuram. Up to this, we discussed, and later let us continue in the next video. Harihi Om. Thanks for watching.